Welcome back to another week. Boo! Hello. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Hopefully, everybody had a good long weekend. I had some fun, obviously. As you guys probably saw a little bit on my Instagram a little bit. We had a lot of fun this weekend. So, time to get back to work. We have a very, very interesting market to deal with today. We do have some data coming out. Some data just came out, I believe. Case-Shiller home price index, and then consumer confidence at 10. Consumer confidence can definitely move the market around a little bit. So watch out for 10 o'clock. But again, I mean, what did we say last week, guys? We were talking about the debt ceiling. We were talking about all of these things. And I was trying to hand you guys, and again, this is why I was making that masterclass video for all of you 2 or 3 weeks ago about low-hanging fruit, because we all knew that these opportunities were coming. When we saw this this 410.30 test down here and flashing down below 410 for a second and then getting bought back up, you can see it on the hourly. It's just wicking. That is the definition of a low-hanging fruit trade. Guys, I tried to show you this debt ceiling shit is nonsense. They ended up coming to, I believe, a tentative deal. We're going to still see some news articles coming out about that this week. We have rallied back up. I do expect, again, my little expectation of what we could potentially see with debt ceiling is once it's fully done deal, all good to go. You see a little bit of a sell the news, and then we continue going in whatever direction the market actually wants to pick. So I'm really looking more so towards day trades for this week. I have a couple of swing ideas that I am looking at. You guys have found them on your own. I haven't said anything about them yet. So we'll look at those. But again, guys, smack that like button on the way in. Let's have another amazing day in Print City. Let's make some money as we always do with the tools on trade1348.com. And let's do it. Congrats on being old. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Yeah, they took care of me big time at the playground this weekend. They had like gifts and stuff, and like the cardboard cutout. It was fun. We got all these Polaroids here too. Like, it's kind of epic, man. It's kind of epic, dude. So let's see what we get today. Definitely interested in trading some futures on this. I think we could definitely see a lot of volatility around the times that I like to trade them, like after 10, waiting for the market to kind of settle in. Nancy, nvda and AMD are absolute tanks, dude. Nvidia's up another almost $4. It hit 132 in the pre-market here. Tessie's up a little bit. Oh, Tessie's up a lot. Almost $8, 4% in the pre-market. Facebook's up a decent amount here too. I think, yeah, 2%. And then TLT. Oh, that's interesting. So TLT gapped up, sold off. That's usually what this thing likes to do. Let's see what it wants to do around this 200 EMA on the 3 and the 5 minute. And see where this thing wants to go from there. But this is going to be a very, very interesting week. So, guys, again, make sure that you guys slap the like button on the way in. Good morning. Awesome, man. Glad it was fun. Thank you, guys. Glad to see you survive your birthday weekend. I did. It was really, really a struggle and a half on Sunday morning. And then I was fine. I woke up and I was like, ow. I told you guys, too. Like, I woke up and I went to the market talk. I was like, I'm in shambles. It's fine, man. It's fine. When you think about it, like, I didn't go out Friday. I barely went out Sunday, and I didn't do anything last night. So I really only went out Saturday. But that was enough going out for like a long time. I can tell you guys what I did. Do you guys want to know what I did? I usually tell you guys after what I did, because I don't want you guys just like randomly showing up and being like, hey, which is fine. I mean, it'd be cool if we were there. Like, if you guys just randomly bump into me, like, that's chill. But like, don't stalk me. That's kind of weird. Do you guys want to know what I did? Waiting to collect your winnings on Bud. There you go. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. If you guys want to know, let me know. I'll tell you what I did. I mean, I could use it as some sort of like motivational clips and shit, but like, it's kind of cool. It was pretty dope, man. That's why we work hard, so we can do cool shit. All right, let's see. All right, what do we got going on over here? Anything useful on Twitter? Nah, I don't think so. Nothing too crazy. Also, for all you guys filtering in right now, remember, a little bit of an announcement. Everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. The QR code's on the screen. The link's at the top of the live chat. If you want to join us in there, awesome. Just a fair warning, though, this 1 month free is not going to be around forever. So if you are looking to take full control of what the market has to offer, make sure you hop in there. I mean, again, you guys see the results every single day. That's not really up for debate at this point. If you really want to come and hop into like the Ferrari of trading communities and trading platforms, make sure you guys hop in. The link's at the top of the live chat. The code is GAINZ, GAINZ, to make sure that you guys can secure your first month free. And remember, for all of you guys that are already in there that are looking for to join Masterclass, time's running out, man. The prices have to go up. So make sure that you guys are in before that happens. Again, we haven't told you guys the date yet. But it's coming up very soon before the prices go up very drastically. So if you are interested in all the things that we have to offer with Masterclass, I mean, make sure you guys hop in there. The value in there is absolutely nuts. You guys have seen the Masterclass people in here, absolutely loving it. So again, you want to hop in there with us? Awesome. If not, don't expect your situation to change. Let's see here. Do tell. All right. We'll do a quick story time because it's still early. I'll tell you guys what I did. So for New Year's, I had 2 tables at the club. 2. Just because we had so many people, and I was like, well, we need 2. For my birthday, I decided to say, fuck it, YOLO. Why get 1 when you could just get 3? So what I basically did was so the way it works is there's like a stage right here, and then there's 2, like, it's called like stage tables right next to it. The stage tables are technically 2 tables. There's like booths. So there's like a booth, a gap, and then another booth. So I had 2 of those on one side of the stage and then 1 table down below. So I had 3. When I walk in, and then also I know it's hard to explain, but like, since I go there so much, I know like almost all, not all, but like I know a lot of the people that work there. So I had all the bottle girls that I usually have, the promoters that I like, I all invited them. And then they were giving me some deals on stuff too. So they brought me out this like cardboard cutout sign, which was nice. Some of the girls got me like a hangover remedy kit, which was nice. They had this Polaroid camera, so I've got like a bunch of Polaroids, which are really cool. And they hooked it up, man. It was fun. I mean, there's only so much you can do to hook it up. And then I met the head guy, I think, that night too. And he comes over, he's like, hey, I heard you wanted champagne. I can offer you a deal. He was like, well, what do you want? So I'm sitting there and I'm like, oh, dude, I am so hammered at this point. And the amount of booze that we were drinking was insane. So I'm talking to the guy and he's like, okay, so I basically was like, either ace or dom is what I'm probably going to end up getting if we basically are going to run it, like not be able to drink all of what we have and not hit the minimum that we had. So he goes, okay, so the Magnum Doms are usually like 2,000 each. But I could give you 2 of them for like 3,500, or we could do a buy 2, get 1 free. And I was like, no, thanks, bro. I was like, I'm not spending $5,000 on champagne. That's insane. But then I ended up getting a bottle of champagne. Then they sent a few out for free, which was nice. But that's basically what I did. 3 tables for the birthday. It was a good time. Is it a strip club? No, it's not a strip club. No, everybody thinks it's a strip club. It's not a strip club. But that was fun. That's what I did. Then usually, so what my friends and I do for everybody's birthdays is we do like a birthday dinner, usually at like a really nice spot. I said, why we could just do like a nice cookout and like be wholesome and have like be outside in the nice weather on Memorial Day. So that's what we did yesterday. That was fun. But all right, enough fucking story time about my life, which you guys don't really give a shit about, I don't think. So let's get back to the market. We got 21 minutes to go until open. Guys, keep slapping that like button on the way in. Let's have a good day, huh? Don't make me yell at you guys again for slap. Ooh, AMD slipping a little bit here. Nancy losing it a little. Tessie right at the yeah. All right, so here's kind of what I'm looking at for the market. Ideally, if I'm gonna take the market long, I want either a test of the 3-minute 200 or a test of this 420.77. Here is where that 420.77 level is coming from. For those of you guys that don't know, it's right here. It's this double top on the daily. So you have this day right here, Friday, May 19th. You come up and tap it. You have this day, Friday, May 26th. You come up and tap it. I think a nice gap over this, retest, then potentially continue is not the worst thing in the world to trade. Now, again, you may not come all the way back down to this. That's why we have this 3-minute 200 EMA sitting right here. So if we are going to sell up, that's what I would look for to go long on the market. I would not really look to just willy-nilly take this thing long out of the gate. We also have consumer confidence coming out, or consumer confidence coming out at 10, which can definitely move markets around a little bit. So maybe that's what gives us the move and then comes back up. We'll see. I mean, a lot of things are wildly overinflated. I wouldn't do something drastic on either side. I wouldn't go randomly to the put side or to the call side this morning. I would really wait. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to really wait to see where this market actually wants to go, because when you see these giant aggressive moves, especially the continuation moves, you have to be a little bit careful. You figured out where the playground is? I'm sure you did. I'm sure you did. It's not that hard. It's fun, though. It's a good time. I know I'm going to have to stop telling you guys when I'm going, because now you've figured out what it is. Did I do my wrangle? I did something a little different, winning loser. You would love this. I can't tell this story on the internet, but it's a good story. You hate it when it runs so damn hot in the pre-market. Just wait for your move. Yeah, exactly. Like, guys, I don't need, like, this is what you have to realize. Like, you don't even need to play with the trend for the day. Like, if you're looking at one specific move and you're able to siphon out your 10%, you've made your 1% for the day and you're done. This is the way, and a lot of people view the market the wrong way. They're trying to catch the actual trend for the entire day. You don't have to do that. That's not what you need to be doing every single day. If you see a good opportunity, you execute, you go in and out within a 5-10 minute time frame, you're done. You don't need any more. Wholesome, I'm disappointed. No, me and my boys are like, that's why they like us so much, because especially like the girls, they're like, we love when you guys come in, because it's not like okay, here's the other thing that I want to talk about too. Those of you guys that are around my age or younger, Tyler, you too, you need to hear this one. Most people, when they start making money, they think they're way more special than they are. And you see it a lot in like places like the clubs and shit like that. You're not special, bro. Like, that's the thing that you have to realize. Like, you're not special. Like, you fucking around, throwing a bunch of money around does not give you the right to treat people like a fucking asshole, which most people do. Which is why when we come in here and I say, whatever you need, just let me know. If anybody's doing something stupid, they're gone. Like, all that, you just take care of everybody. You tip everybody well. You make sure that everybody's taken care of, having a good time. And when we come in, everybody's having fun. So most people, when they come in, they're like, give me this, do this, touching them weird. It's like, no, bro, stop being a fucking weirdo. So when you guys start ripping it and having a good time and are able to do cool things, don't act like a shithead, because you just look silly. Nobody cares. Like, that's the thing. I don't go to the club to show off. I go because I like to sit the fuck down and have fun with my friends. Like, I don't care. No, different Tyler. I wasn't talking about you. You can't, like, and you'll see it. I'll get embarrassed. Like, if I'm at somewhere with like other people, and this happened once at the playground, I was like, I'm going home. I'm not hanging around with these people that I don't know that are acting like shitheads. That's the thing too. Like, if I'm going to go do shit, I'm only going to take the people that I know are going to be respectful, nice to everybody, take care of everybody. Like, and that's all my friends, dude. Like, I don't hang around with fucking weirdos. So, little life lesson there for you guys. But how much time we got left? 16 minutes until the ding ding. All right, cool. How's my birthday weekend? Epic. Servant leadership? I think I've heard of that. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, and then you get, it's like all right, it's hard to explain, but you're there for different I'll explain it one day to you guys. Yeah, I mean, chips are getting walked down. They're still wildly elevated, dude. Like AMD up 3, nvda up 4. They are slipping though. So we'll see if we can get a nice little downside move on those. I'm still a little bit hesitant about playing any of the chips, especially nvidia. I'll touch AMD. I just don't want to have really much to do with nvidia here. It's just so inflated, dude. Take care of the people, enjoy life. Yeah, man. I mean, that's what we do. Okay. Like, I have some cool friends. Like one of my best friends, man. He used to like intern at the White House. Knows a bunch of really cool people. Like, okay, one day he was like, "Oh yeah, I'm going to hang out with this guy Ben. Like, I got a call with like this dude Ben. Do you know who it was? If for those of you guys that know, my buddy's a real estate guy, so he kind of knows. He's got a lot of connections. It was Ben Mala, the guy with the YouTube channel who always makes the cool videos. Yeah, it was Ben Mala. I was like, you're epic. like and we just meet people. I don't know, man. You gotta have a good group of friends, a good network. You can't be hanging around with shitheads. Thoughts on Target? Honestly, I like it. I need a little bit more out of it to show that it actually wants to come back up for air. I do have a couple of levels. Do I have it up here? No, I did. I did have it up before. Yeah, I mean, this is the level. It's 137.21. We touched that. I'm going to look at it very closely to see if it double bottoms. If the buyers step up there again, watch a little volume maybe too, just kind of see what they want to do. But yeah, I mean, it's interesting. I don't really like that the go woke, go broke stuff is happening because I mean, you could see a lot of institutional money flow out of it. It's really funny. This is the other funny shit too. And this is what you guys have to realize about the marketplace. You're gonna see all these narratives about like, and a lot of these companies do this about like, and like institutions, like it'll be like, oh, we want to be like more like that, we want to do all this like woke nonsense. Okay, when push comes to shove, if Target or any of these other companies start really pushing it, do you know what institutions do? They pull their money out. It's all just a fucking fake nonsense about them trying to virtue signal to the public to make them think that they're better, like a better organization than they are. But when push comes to shove and actual money's involved, they're out, bro. They're out. They know go woke, go broke. So all this nonsense where you see all these people and like this is okay. We can talk about this too. I when I was talking about the debt ceiling stuff and I was talking about the whole thing of it, and I was like, both sides, like they're doing this, they're negotiating. People were like, oh, but the Republicans, oh, but the Democrats. It doesn't matter who it is. They're all bad. You have to realize that it doesn't matter. The government, okay, it's one thing. They're all in the same boat. It doesn't matter what side that they're on. The sooner that you realize that, the better off that you will be. Because if you are too caught up in political bullshit, left, right, up, down, you are wasting your energy. You are doing exactly what they want you to do. Stop. It doesn't fucking matter. All the political nonsense that you see, it does not affect you, benefit you, hurt you in any way. And if it does hurt you, you need to figure out your own fucking situation and make sure that you then put yourself in a situation where it doesn't fucking matter, because it doesn't. It doesn't matter, bro. Left, right, fucking who gives a shit? They're all bad. So if I see you guys saying like, oh, but this, shut up. I'm going to snap at you because it doesn't matter. You're thinking about it the wrong way. You're playing into exactly what they want you to do. You're focused on the wrong shit. You know what I thought of the other day too? I think war is incredibly dumb. Now, here's why it'll never go away. A lot of organizations, a lot of people make a bunch of money on war. Okay. You know what I think they should do is take like a desert, like Russia and Ukraine right now. Cool. Okay. You take like a desert or some unpopulated area and you say, go there and do whatever you want. No draft, no nothing. If you want to sign up for the military and you want to go to a barren area and just go for it. There's no need to just like go and wreck some dude's home who's like a farmer in some country, just trying to be a better have a better life for his family because some dickhead wants more territory for oil or something. That's dumb. Or this is the other idea I had, was that any head of any government, so like a president or somebody, they then, if they want to go to war with anybody, what they then do instead is the UFC hosts a giant pay-per-view event of the two heads in a MMA competition, and it's winner take all with whatever the stakes are. And everybody in the world gets to watch it. You get to raise a bunch of money from the pay-per-view, and then that's that. International Fight Club. Yup. Exactly. You know what it would do? It would get a lot of younger people in the government, man. You wouldn't have these 80-year-olds up there because they'd have the threat of physical violence. Big money stream for rebuilding. Yeah, and then when I was talking to people about this, they were like, oh, like, yeah, but like they're trying to take over territory. And I'm like, but they're destroying the territory that they're taking. Anytime, really. Like, if they want to like conquer a territory, they're going to destroy it. Then they have to rebuild it, spend a bunch of money. Yeah, that could increase GDP, but like, you're just fucking people. Like, it's silly, dude. It's all bullshit. No, there should be a masterclass today. You guys will get the link at some point. Get ready. It'll come. It'll come. All right, team. Wow. Wow. You guys are really slacking on the like button this morning. Oh, I see how it is. Oh, I see how it is. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. Fuck me, right? Slackers, bro. Cost you guys nothing to do it. Come on, bro. Really? There's like 150 of you guys that haven't hit the like button yet. You slackers, bro. Yeah, and again, I'll throw the link in the live chat for those of you guys that still need to hop in for your first month free to trade1348.com. And for all you other guys too, remember, masterclass prices are going up real soon. So make sure that you guys are in there before it does happen, because I mean, again, after it goes up, you guys are going to be kicking yourself. You're like, damn, I wish I got in there. But yeah, use code GAINZ, GAINZ, to make sure that you guys can get your first month free and you guys can hop in Print City with us. But if you don't, I mean, don't expect your current situation to change. I mean, you have to take action, man. If you want to change your current situation, I mean, and you're going to say, well, I don't want to hop in for a month free. It's like, well, how do you expect anything to change? We are here to help you guys every single day. That's why I do these streams for you guys, so that you guys can be helped. Yeah, you guys really just fucking slacking on the like button over here. We got eight minutes to go until open. Damn, bro. You guys hate me today, huh? So rude. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You gonna make him upset? What is this? You gonna make him all sad? Look at these sunglasses. Look at these. Facebook something? Yeah. Let's go. He gave some of this. No, stop it. The Celtics lost, right? Fuck. That sucks. Yeah, Facebook is slipping. Nice shades. They're not even mine, bro. They're somebody random's pit vipers. Let's see. They almost did the impossible. Yeah, they did. They did. That would have been pretty epic if they came back from 3-0. Now I'm really happy I didn't stay up for the game. That would have been a waste. I would have been like, fucking Tiger coming back up. Hello. Morning, STV. What up, Mark? Let's see. What's the annual decline for the first time since 2012? Yeah, that makes sense though, Wreck-It Ralph. That makes sense with rates. I don't think that's anything to be really overwhelmingly scared of. I think that's a healthy pullback. I think the real estate market needed a little cool down. So I think that's fine. I got to take a look at that a little bit more, but Yeah, I think that's healthy. All right, what do we got? 6 minutes to go until the ding ding. Carvana. Everybody's talking about Carvana, which means I probably don't want to look at it. I've seen so many people starting to talk about this. Once everybody starts talking about something, I don't give a shit. I actually would rather stay away from it. Could it move? Yeah. Could social media end up pumping it? Yes. But does that mean that I want to have any part of it? No. I mean, what's it at right now? Here's the thing. Like, yeah. Hold on. Look at this on the 4 hour. 4 hour traffic light was like back here, dude. At 750. Like, you look at this on the daily as well. It was a while ago for this thing to actually come back to the upside. It was here at 923. So you're late. I mean, yes, this is consolidating in here and could get a nice break to the upside above 1370. Very, very possible. But is this something that I want to have really any part of right now on a fucking like social media pump? No. Oh, we'll see what we get today. We'll trade what we usually do. Maybe I'll set up some swings. I do like a couple of things, but the swings are probably going to be a little bit smaller this week, just as I wait for things to kind of settle in here. But yeah. Oh, 20 Lex away from 150. Thank you, team. We're out of shit stock land. Yeah. Celtics lost. That was the best part. Stop. That's so mean. Yeah, I'll leave Target up. I am interested in it. Whoa. Fucking wild candles there on Diger. Yeah, I also have no open positions going into today. I sold the remaining SPY call position that I had from the dip buy around 410. They were 415s for June 7th. I could have kept a couple as some runners, but didn't really want to. I was up over 100% on them on the swings. I'll take that all day long. I don't need anything more than that. Really good size position there. That was a gem. Next level on SPY 430. Yeah, it's 431. It's 431. It's up on the daily. It's up here. It's right here. 431.73. If we can get up there. I mean, you do have this little. I mean, yeah, it is up there. I mean, ideally, I want to retest this 420.77 today. Before boom. If it wants to do it. That's what I would look for. Yep. Also, I've got a lot of awesome short form videos coming out for you guys on TikTok and Instagram. Make sure that you guys are following me over there. Short the VIX 1 on both. Same thing on Twitter. Make sure that you guys are following me over there. TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. All Short the VIX 1, one word. Make sure you guys are following me over there. If you are not already, we got a lot of awesome content coming out for you guys over there. You guys have really enjoyed a lot of it too. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Fed needs to see home price declines. Finally, that's good news for FedWise in regards to future rate hikes. I agree with you. It is. Yeah, SPY coming down a little bit. Yeah, I want this test. We'd basically go back to break even, and I mean, maybe the 13-200 or the 3-minute 200. All right, guys, 2 minutes until the ding ding. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. My short form is entertaining. I like it. Thank you, Chanley. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. I try. I do my best to entertain you guys over there. Everything already ripped in the pre-market. Right. This is why if I want to take anything to the upside, I need big retests. So let's see if we get them. If we don't, okay. Cut your cost September calls from before the earnings. I mean, you're probably up a shitload. I'm upset about my Tessies. The Tessie position that I had, that was no fun. I was buying those calls for June or July and at fucking, I think they were 185s. 180s, I think, for June when it was in the 150s. Maybe it was even less than that, 165, 170. I don't know, man. I mean, that was a crazy dip buy that I had, and I just fucked it up. Same thing with NVIDIA. I was buying calls at 262. It's okay. Can't win them all. We've had our finger on the pulse of the market over these last few weeks too, so we've still absolutely like crushed it with the swings. I just got to be a little bit more risk on and let things run a little. Good morning, Vix. Good luck to everyone today. Thank you. Thank you. All right, guys. Ding, ding, ding. Market open. Keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's get after it today. Let's get after it. Nancy, AMD, fucking around. Tessie. Okay. Meta. All right, SPY. What are we going to get here? What are we going to get, team? Yeah, I got nothing here. I got no trades. Let's see. We got consumer confidence at 10. That's going to get a little interesting here too. Yeah, master link was sent out to you guys as well. So all you masterclass people, make sure you're hopping in. And for all you guys that still need to get masterclass, remember, time is really running out on that. Do not miss this opportunity of a lifetime to upgrade into the master tier at like the absolute steal of a price because it is going way up. So, I mean, make sure I've been warning you guys, make sure that you're hopping in before it's too late. Happy birthday, you filthy animal. Thank you guys. What in the world happened that the market ripped over the holiday? Debt ceiling news. They have a deal. They have a deal. All right, let's see what we get here. If you slip this will be interesting. 421.84. Nancy slipping. AMD. Whoa, there you go. AMD slipping pretty hard here. Tessie, slip. Yeah, this is what we want to see. If we want to take anything long, we need things to come down significantly because you're not buying calls up in here. That's crazy. Happy birthday. Thank you, Rands. I appreciate that, buddy. Thank you. All right, coffee number 2. Here we go. All right, I'll throw AMD on the 5-minute, see if it gets down to that 5-minute 200. That would get interesting if it did. Yeah, come on. $127.80, so it's got like another $1 to come down. Broke the 3-minute 200 here. Looking at the 5. SPY back up. Nancy chilling. Yeah, AMD screaming lower here. Let's see. AMD catching a bid here. SPY coming back up. Nancy going back up. All right, let's see what we got. Whoa. Tiger, holy fuck. There it is, 137.21. That broke it. There you go. Just getting mollywopped. Let's see. Costco picks up $4 at open. Jesus, bro. Yeah, come on, AMD, get down there. Yeah. AMD, where's the 127.80? Okay. Let's see what this wants to do. Google downside. Okay, yeah, I mean, I'm just watching some of this stuff here. Google. Fuck. Nope, couldn't get it. Fuck, that was so close, bro. I was trying to get it at the bottom of these candles with risk below, and I just couldn't get them. All right, Tiger looking good there, though. All right, I like that. All right, I'm up. Okay, so I've done a little bit of wizard shit here this morning. I'm up like, all right, I gotta scale out of this. Yeah, all right, cool. I'm up about 20% on target July calls. Literally bought the low, basically. That's pretty good. I'll take that all day long. Scaled out. Don't have full size on it at all. It's a very, very small position. So let's see what happens with that. Nice. 5.31% on the port growth from IWM puts from Wednesday. Nice, dude. Nice. Yeah, I'm up like 0.5% on my account off of that. I mean, I'm hunting this AMD. I like that target though. So nice little scale out from down here to up here. So got some wiggle room on that thing. That's an easy trade there. I am interested in that in target. Let that thing go. Yeah, AMD would have been real nice off of that, but can't hit them all. Can't hit them all. 20% off the meta bounce off the 5-minute 200. Oh, Facebook did it. Yeah, I can see that. Good trade there. Oh, wow. Really good trade there. Holy shit. Yeah, I wish I was looking at that one. Oh, I was looking at this. I wanted the bounce here. Couldn't get it. So this is fine. I mean, I've already scaled out at 20% on this thing. This thing's wildly moving. So that order got filled up in here, which is nice. So at 5-minute rimmed, I could start to kind of scale in a little bit more, I guess. I mean, I've got a giant buffer on it. Like a giant buffer. Let's see. Oh, here we go, AMD. Let's see if we get it here. Tesla just got you 20% on the port. Holy shit. There you go, bro. We haven't broken this yet. We're just tapping this little pre-market low here. Market sell today or tomorrow. I agree. I do not have any. I think we could easily come down here and test this. God, fucking AMD. It's definitely 3-minute thigh gapping right here. Yeah, it's right on the line of a 3-minute thigh gap. It's just flickering it. That is interesting. Yeah, again, you guys get thigh gap with masterclass as well. Make sure that you guys are hopping up to masterclass before it's too late, man. Ooh, 4 likes away from 150 as well. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. We're coming in. Yeah, I mean, we'll see what we get here. Costco made your choice for you. Oh, it ripped. WTI crude oil drops below 70, down 3.7% at 69.98 a barrel. Holy fuck, that's low. Fucking Nvidia. Holy shit. Look at Nvidia go, dude. AMD is not moving with it yet. If AMD picks up and the SPY does too, Nvidia could have a wild fucking day. Gingy, how did you make 20% on the port on Tesla? Good shit, bro. Hey, that's what we do around here at Trade 1348, man. Oh, AMD flashing through the 5-minute 200 now. Coming down to these levels, 127. Watch this. That I don't like. That aggressiveness to the downside, I'm not the biggest fan of. But we'll see. How are the premiums doing here? This would be an interesting candle if they bought it right back up over the 5-minute 200. Show a little sign of strength there. SPY slipping. And everything's starting to move down. Where's NVIDIA? There's AMD at 127, pre-market level. Let's see. Um, Cool. 30% on target. There you go. Let's see what we got here. You want Tiger to keep falling? Oh, there she goes. Come on. Spy slip. Same. Spy coming down to that 3-minute 200. Let's see what we got. 4% on the port on Amazon downside thigh gap. Good shit. All right. Let's see what we got. Okay. Getting that PDF. We're still working on that one. That one we're still working on. nvda is just a monster. How long is it going to be? I'm not sure. It's a very, very involved PDF. Like, there's a lot of shit in it, dude. Like, a lot. All right. We got 12 minutes to go until 10. AMD getting hammered. Let's see. You got 30 seconds for new 5-minute candles coming in across the board. Let's see. Selling your house, making over 100K in profit. Oh, shit. There you go, Ryan. Good job, buddy. Yeah, consumer confidence due at 10. All right, new 5-minute candles. Let's see what this wants to do. Oh, Tyler, I'm not sure exactly how long it's gonna be. Oh, they took it? Oh, you fucks. Let's see. Yeah, Webull is showing transaction fees now. I've seen that. AMD looking for new lows. Let's see what it wants to do. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. ES, I'm watching you. I'm hunting ES too. Ow. Where's Tiger? Oh, Tiger's getting booty clapped. Let's see. There's the first level. There it is. Here comes SPY. All right, 7 minutes until some data. AMD just getting killed here. Look at this, dude. Could hunt for 3-minute thigh gap. It hasn't thigh gapped once yet today. So maybe wait for thigh gap on AMD. Dude, look at Target. Nailed that SPY move down. Good shit, buddy. Let's see. Up 1.2%. Good shit, dude. SPY still it needs this. This 420.77 is that first level we're looking at on there. Top take cost. Nice, bro. Go woke, go broke. Yep. Let's see. 5 minutes until data. Let me start marking up some levels here. Okay. See if SPY breaks lows here. It's teetering. I'll mark that. Right there. Okay. That should be good. Port up 3.33% for the day. Marky Mark, at a boy. There you go, man. No thigh gap yet on AMD. This dude, look at this. Holy death. Look, where's it on the daily? Ooh, where's the 4 hour? Yeah, you got 121.75. That's so far away. Oh, there you go, Tiger. Okay. Feel brand new? There you go, Leo. Google's trying to thigh gap. That is. Google trying to thigh gap on the 3 minute here. That's interesting. That is interesting. For all of you guys that are in masterclass with us, you know exactly what to look for there. You know exactly what to look for there. Make sure those of you guys that still want to hop into master, you get that before it's too late. Time is running out, man. AMD, more death. Data move could be big. They secured the bag. 37% on SPX, 22 on SPY. Nice. There you guys go. Crushing it at, oh, Jesus, man. There you go. I love seeing you guys win. All right, 1 minute until the data. Let's see what we get. We got 15 seconds. Cool. Nice. All right, here it is. Here we go. What are we going to get today, folks? 10 o'clock. Here we go. How much time before master goes up? Oh, dude, not a lot. Really not a lot of time. It could be the end of this week. It could be the end of this month. It's very, very, very soon it's happening. So, again, for those of you guys that still need to hop in there, make sure you guys are getting that before it's too late. Target, if they think you can get back above the 3-minute 13, you might see some action here. It's thigh gapping. SPY slip. I don't know. Need to see something I like. Need to see holy AMD getting mollywopped. Oh, my Lord. Yeah, you want to know what the data exactly was? I can tell you. I mean, SPY's coming down to our level here. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. So this was the level I was first looking at on the SPY. And in general, I am looking for retests this week of levels down in here before we potentially push back higher. So, as an inflationary, okay. That's a big candle. All right, let's see. Let's see. Currently 30% on Tesla. Moving stops as we go down. There you go. There you go, bro. Is Tiger looking for new lows? Yeah, not really. I mean, it just rimmed here. Yes for the win. You hit it already? I'm waiting. I'm waiting for what I want to see on it. So we'll see. New lows on SPY. You had AMD 128 puts, fumble the bag. Got out with 5%. Hey, that's not bad. You still hit it. You still hit it. Took a 9.68% on SPX portfolios. Now 3.46. Good shit, team. Good work. Oh, my Lord. Again, everybody gets their first month free. So I'll throw that link in here for you guys again. For those of you guys that want to change your current situation, there you guys go. Yeah, you got 420.77. That's an interesting level here that you flashed. So let's see what this thing wants to do. Scam for your daily 1% plus stop loss on QQQ. There you go. AMD not thigh gapping yet, but it's getting there. Okay, let's see. SPY's got to get back above 420.77 and then 421 if it wants to come back. Oh, did AMD come down and touch the 4-hour? Hold on. I think it did. All right, let's see. Yeah. Oh, there it is on SPY. There she goes. Nah, leave it there. Let's see. Okay. Cool. Your shill's at 1348 have scammed me into yet another 10% day of gains. Have you no shame? Good shit, buddy. There you go. Come on, market. Do something. Can you do something for me? Can you hit a little take profit for me? Yep. Come on. Come on. Break that high and get up to that 200. Come on. Come on. Come on. $21. Can you do something for me? Can you make me a bunch of money on this market? Come on, a little bit more. Come on. A little bit. Little boat. Come on. Come on. 421.30. Let's go. Wrong way. Oh, that was just rude. Cool. How's it going, people? Doing good, buddy. Come on. A little more. Come on, do it. Do it, you fucker. Nope. Not yet. Bloop, 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 bloop. Little bounce off that 420.77 level. Let's see what we got. Oh, shit. Hi, AMD. Hey there. Hey. Hi. Spy with a little retest. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Come on downtown. Let's go. Can you give it to me, please? Can I have May, please? Come on. Uppy. Uppy, uppy, uppy. Come on. Uppy, little more. We're fucking right there, bro. We're like less than a point. Just give it to me. No more of these fucking games. That's like a tick away from my take profit, you fuck. Oh, my Lord. Oh, my God. They're doing it to me again. Oh, AMD might have hit it there. No, not yet. Close, though. Oh, my God, Spy. Really? You're going to fuck around with me like this? I mean, I'm not moving to take profit. You can go fuck yourself. That's not happening. I'm keeping that fucker right there. $421.30. I think that's what we need. Yeah, 200 EMA test. Come on, give me. Bro, it's right fucking there. Come on. Let's go. Uppy. I hate when they do this. They just bring it right fucking there, and then they just don't hit it. I'm a point away from just nailing it. Come on. That's got to do it. Come on. Bro, you are so close. You're fucking like, oh my God. Come on. You're about a point away. Just give it to me. 421.30. Give me my test. Come on. Uppy. 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 Order filled. Thank you, fuckers. Easy money. Thank you. See that? This is why I'm the GOAT. Thanks. Can't lose now. Now I'm hunting for 10 points. 5 points locked in. That was with 3 ES contracts. Very nice trade there. Thanks very much. Starting off the week strong on the futures account. Let's see if I can get my 10 points, be done for the day. Yeah, it looks like they're going to give that to me. Let's see. That was easy. Boom. Read your message earlier. Said more trading money. Oh, that's dope. That's dope, bro. Yeah, so either way, I've locked in a really, really nice green there. If it wants to give me my 10 points, great. If it doesn't, I really don't give a shit. I still have a stop in profit here. Wait, where was my entry? 4220.75. So I need 4230.75 for another one. You guys heard the order filled on the exit there. That was good. Light work, bro. Light work. Oh, I have another position. That's good. Oh, wow. Oh, hi. Oh, shit. Are they going to give this to me right here? Come on. You going to give me my 10? Damn, that would be sick if they gave me my 10 this quick. Yeah, they're about to do it. Thank you. Come on. Give me my 10 points. Come on the runner. Come on. Yeah, and then I drilled AMD on that too. Cool. Thank you. I'm up 20% on some SPY contracts that expire Friday. I literally am a money printer. Thank you. Do you guys know how easy this is for me at this point? And this is why we've created trade1348.com for you guys. What did I tell you in the pre-market? What did I tell you? We're looking at this. We are looking at this level in order for us to want to take this thing back to the upside. What did I do? We see it flash down here. Took a little starter position on the SPY. Started looking at ES. Absolutely drilled it. Scaled out of 2 of them at 5 points. Hunting for 10 on the last runner, which would be real nice. Maybe I'll trade a little bit. Wow, I'm up a lot today on the baby futures account. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, so basically what I need here, I think, is a 48 test on the 3. I think that's what I need in order to get my 10 points. Yeah. I mean, it's right there. So ES is at 42285. I need 423.075. If it flashes up here, I'll get my 10 points and I'm done. But then I have a stop right now at 422.150. So I don't know. Let's see what happens. Tiger fucking around. Yeah, retest. That's fine. That's fine. ES is still looking good. I think they're going to give that to me. It looks like they're going to. Who knows, though? So a couple points away. Looking good on it. Making some good money. Let's see. Are they going to give me another order filled? They might right here. Yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, I'm a little over a point away. So I'm like 1.5 points away. Now it's a little less or a little more. So I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, that'll do it. That'll do it. Come on. Little more, little more, little more, little more, little more, little more. Oh, you motherfucker. That's a tick. That's a quarter of a point that you just fucked me on. I didn't even need the 48 here. Come on. Just a little more. That's a tick, bro. You've literally ticked me. Stop tickling me. Market. Gimme, 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 gimme. Come on. Come on. Order filled. Thank you. I'll be here all week, folks. Easy money. 983 locked in on that trade. So with fees and everything, that was $983 right there on the small baby futures account. Nice. Sweet. Sweet. That account is growing real fast, man. 20. Oh my fucking God. Why do I have to be such a genius all the time? 27% on SPY right now. I need 12 cents more for a scale out. Hit it, bro. Do what you got to do. Look at that. Look at that, bro. Golf clap. Golf clap. Thank you. Thank you very much. This market's a fucking joke. Stop overcomplicating it. And guys, make sure you're hopping in for your free trial. I'll have some more futures content for masterclass coming out soon too. So make sure that you guys are ready for that. Yeah, AMD, good thigh gap trade here. That was really good. Man, textbook day, man. Textbook day. What did we say? Come down to our level here, this breakout, or the previous double top here. Again, like seriously, guys, come on. Look at this. Double top right here, comes down, wicks it, comes right back up. Thank you. Easy money. Easy money. Yeah, so I traded 3 ES contracts on that. I scaled out 2 of them at a 5-point gain. Held the runner for 10. Now I'm done. Now I'm done. Like, do you guys understand this? Like, come on. What are you doing? You guys just watch a 20. Now I'm 24. But you just get to watch a 24-year-old just legitimately print money in the market every single day. And some of you guys are still sitting here with your thumbs up your ass like, I don't know. Nothing's going to change about your current situation unless you take action, man. Boom. Palantir going to go to 20 because of NVIDIA. I actually like Palantir right now. I might start funneling some money back into that company. What is it at? 13? 14? Wow, that thing's really ripping. I don't fuck. I mean, the only thing I would do is sell some puts on it at like 12, 11 maybe. Collect a little premium on it because the premium is going to be jacked. And you can sell a bunch of them with a stock that's at like fucking 14. But I mean, I used to talk about Palantir a lot. The company is very difficult to understand. Now, I mean, with the AI stuff, I think people are going to finally start to understand like what the fuck, how big they could potentially be. The only issue I have with Palantir, there's 2. One of them is easy for them to get over. It's the executive, it's basically the executive compensation structure in terms of SBA or SBC, stock-based compensation, that people just don't understand. And when they see it, they're like, what the fuck is this? And then I haven't looked recently, but it used to be the case that the vast majority of their revenue was heavily concentrated in government contracts also surrounding COVID. So it didn't make any sense that like eventually those contracts were going to run out. I think now they could definitely get some new ones. I'd have to look at it in terms of what they've been doing. But yeah, I don't hate it. See how perfect that was, guys, on my SPY? Or on my ES trade. That was absolute textbook picture perfect. I almost top ticked it. So my sell was at 423075. The height of this candle was okay. I mean, that was like 2 points away from a top tick. Still gem though. Still gemmed it. FTMO. I think, Tyler, if you understand the leverage elements of it, it's the same deal. Because when you look at like EU or GU or what do you call it? GJ and things like that. Like if you look at them, you're going to be like, oh, this has somewhat of a correlation to the US markets. Like if the US markets are moving in one direction, these are most likely going to move in slightly different directions here. Nancy Shark, SPY fucking around. Palantir's the new Tesla regarding stock-based compensations back from 2000. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, I like the company. It was a tank back in 2020. It was one of those stocks that used to get like super hyped up. But yeah, we'll see what happens with it. Dude, absolutely nailed it today. Absolutely drilled it today. So one futures trade, maybe I'll come back, size down a little bit in the afternoon. For an afternoon session trade for futures. I don't know. I mean, that was textbook, picture perfect. That trade was only red for a candle. It was green the entire rest of the time. So really good one there. It's coming back down to retest 420.77, which is fine. I mean, this is to be expected today. This choppy bullshit that we're seeing is to be expected, which is what we said in the pre-market. Yeah, and make sure that you guys are hopping into Masterclass 2 before it is too late, man. Time's running out. Prices are going up. Okay. That's chill. Yeah, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that too. Short the VIX1. Let's do it. You're not trying to get funded. You're trying to get some money, put it back in your account to trade. Well, I mean, the thing is that, again, Tyler, it all has to do with the risk. It pays to be an original OG. Yeah, guys, I mean, we've offered you the lifetime one, the 3-year one. Now it's 1 year, and it's going to go up from there. So don't miss out, man. You're going to, again, if you don't take action, how do you expect your current situation to change? That's kind of where we'll leave it for now. I don't want you guys like just listening to me talking about fucking Masterclass all day long. Make sure you're in. If not, you're going to miss the boat. And that's that. SPY coming back down to that 420.77 level. What a great trade there, bro. What a fucking great trade I had there on ES. That was wonderful. 1,200 laying around. Why not try to get funded, but I don't? Tyler, that's not how you do it. Tyler, that's not how you... Okay, Tyler, you want some sauce? This is how you... It's not gaming funded accounts, but this is what you do. FTMO probably has lower accounts for like $100, $50. What you do is you get those accounts, you get a payout from them, and you use the payout to get another one. And you use like a not a trade copier, but there's software that you can use to take the same trades on both accounts. So now you have two $10,000 accounts. Okay, then you get another payout the next month or the next 2 weeks or whatever it is. Okay, so then you continuously just scale up. You don't blow the first $1,200 on one funded challenge. That's not how you do it. All you're trying to do is lever your capital. Let's say you spend $50 to get a $10,000 account and you make 5% that month. Okay, you made $500. You just took $50, turned it into $500. Now you can use that $500 to continuously get those challenges and stack up. Now, again, you might get to the point where you have $50,000 in funding, and then you're like, well, I don't give a shit anymore. I just want to trade with the 50K account. Well, okay, then let's say you make 10% 1 month. That's $5,000. Then you can take a little bit of that money and then go for the big boys. You don't go for the big ones right away. That's how they get you. Because you're like, oh, I want to trade with 100 to 150K. Well, you're just going to keep blowing money. SPY coming down. Let's see. Didn't think of it like that. Yeah, that's how you do it. You don't try to blow your load on one, because then here's the other thing. Let's say you have one and you fuck it up and you never get to your first payout. Well, yeah, you get your fee back, but then you lose the account. You got to do it again. SPY, big candle there. Let's see. Yeah, that's not the way to look at it. Because then, okay, and even if you have all the different accounts, you don't have to take the same trades on each one. So you're basically spreading it out and saying, okay, well, I can then diversify my risk and keep the capital. Yeah, careful with that. Don't go blowing all your money on funded challenges. Yeah, they tried to buy that up a little bit there, but nothing crazy. Damn, bro. What a fucking futures trade that was. That was epic. That was epic. Walked out of a meeting, took SPY to the upside, done for the day. Attaboy, Matt. You're not a crazy fan of Forex just because it's not as liquid as stocks. 1030 data? I don't think we have 1030 data, do we? No 1030 data. But yeah, so again, what you're actually trying to do with funded accounts, Tyler, you have to, there's a process. So you do ES both ways, paid for a lot of golfing. Dude, I mean, mine did as well. I mean, how much was that? Yeah, 983. So that's what's up on the, so the futures account, oh, I've doubled it. Oh, fuck yeah. I'm up over 100% on the futures account as of now. Fuck yeah. Sweet. So let me get the percentage for you today. So it was at, I have an idea of what it was at before. So I think that was it. Yeah. So the futures account is up about 10% today. Dallas Fed index at 1030. Oh, thank you. Yeah. SPY moving back up. Trying to get above what? 421 again. Okay. Let's see. That's awesome on the futures account. Yeah. When I say trading futures is better than Forex, I've never traded Forex. So I can't really tell you. I've never traded Forex. I've traded futures, options, stocks. So I can't really tell you from experience. Because I don't know. I've never tried it. I think that in any market, you give me an account, I'm gonna fucking crush it. So I don't think I'd have any problems with it. But I like my bread and butter futures and stocks. I love futures right now, dude. I love them. I like the I like the data that they give you. I like the predefined risk to reward. That's just it. I like it in my brain. I do it on options now too, where I'll set up the stop loss take profit order. We went over that the uniform risk in the masterclass last week. For those of you guys that are in there with us, make sure you watch that one. That's a gem. All right, hold on. I'm about to hit some scale outs on SPY here. Yeah, all right. I just scaled out of some SPY calls at 15%. That's pretty good. Realizing some nice gains there. Cool. Nice. So that was the second test below. Didn't quite get the big scale out here. Snagged a couple more down in here at the slip of the level, and then just scaled out up top. So nice. Easy. I wouldn't say it's better, Tyler. I would just say, like, I just like it. I don't know. It's fun. But remember, I've been talking about trading futures for like a long ass time. And then I just recently started doing it like a month ago. So that futures account is now up. Yeah. So it started at 5. It's at what? 10,006 something. Yeah. SPY slip. Whatever, dude. The uniform risk video was ideal for me personally. You catch bigger moves and cut losers way earlier. Yeah, exactly. Because what I do is that when it hits the take profit, all I do is move up the stop loss on the other side of the position and I'm done. I don't have to look at it. Like, you guys see me, and it makes a lot of sense for me too when I'm streaming like this, because I have to talk to you guys, look at the charts and all that stuff. But if I see a good trade opportunity, my work is done. After I enter it, my work on the trade is done. I don't have to do anything else. That's what you guys have to realize too. After you identify the good trade setup, your work is done. You set up your stop loss, your take profit order on a certain percentage of the position, and you let it go. And all you have to do, again, this is why I took you guys through that process of journaling, back testing, knowing where you fuck up. Because if you know your numbers and say, okay, this is a good risk reward setup, this is what my win rate has been, this looks good, set up the risk, set up the reward, and you're done. So again, I mean, these are the types of things that I'm giving you guys in masterclass every single week. And those of you guys sitting on the outside too, you still get a month free. There you go. Took time away to relearn all the master classes. Currently trading in Puerto Rico paradise. There you go. Made 200% on NVIDIA and Tesla calls in 15 minutes. I'm done. 1348 killing it. Time to enjoy vacation. There you go, bud. There you go. Where's Tiger over here? How's Tiger looking? Meh, it's fucking around. It's just trying to get above that 3-minute 13. You think you're going to try to get funded on the small accounts, try to scale it that way? Yeah, that's the way to do it. Like people, again, it's not their, I mean, it's not them. They are offering you the capital. They can do whatever they want. But you have to look at it in this way and say, okay, well, if I can't pass it on these smaller accounts, it's not going to matter because it's the same fucking thing. Like if you have a $10,000 account versus a $100,000 account and it's both funded, it's the same psychological stuff. It's like take the trade. It's just the numbers are different. That's all it is. Like it's the same thing with my futures account. Like when I scale it up, the only thing is I started with, I was barely trading any contracts. Now I'm starting to slowly scale it up, but it's the same thing. I know what the risk is on every single trade, and the risk to reward is still the exact same. I could be trading 100 contracts right now. It doesn't matter because it's the same fucking thing that I'm looking for every single time. It's super scalable. So when I look at the market, it's like, I don't care what necessarily what the size of the position is, as long as it fits in good risk management frameworks. That's it. I don't care about anything else. If that account gets up to a crazy high amount, which it probably will, and I'm trading 100 contracts, it doesn't matter. I wasn't even really looking at it for most of the time. Like I was looking over here. Yeah, you guys saw me get a little excited when it was a tick away, but like I'm not looking at it. The trade looks good. I enter, I set my stop, I set my TPs, and I am done. As soon as I hear the order fill sound, I move my stops up. It's the same fucking thing with options too. Same thing. You should sell 15-minute one-on-one sessions for members that claim to have watched the master videos. Yeah, I mean we could, but at the same time, it's like it's more time. It's just time. Like if I'm like when I'm scaling up this account, remember this is a small account. I could easily just be like, all right, I'm going to throw 50K into it and make fucking $5 grand in a day. I've been lazy and I haven't set up the new bank connections yet. Playing blackjack at a $2 table is the same as playing at the $500 table. Same game, different stress levels. Right. Dallas Fed numbers came in with a big miss. To what side? To what side? I mean, this thing's just chopping around. You could get down to 418 today. I mean, I've already scaled out the vast majority of the SPY position. So if it ends up breaking day low, I'll just be out. That'll be my stop on this because it's got some time. What did I miss back from Masterclass? Well, I murdered futures, drilled AMD, also got a great SPY trade off of these two flashes down below this level. So, I mean, at this point for the day, I'm pretty much set. I don't really have to do that much anymore. So, I mean, like this futures account, I view it. I mean, I don't view it differently than the options account, but I take a lot less trades on it. Mainly because I'm looking for like very, very specific things that give me good risk to reward. Like if I saw this trade, this trade honestly was a bit borderline because the stop that I had was like right at the low. It was a tick above the previous low. So if it wanted to come back down and double bottom there, I would have been fucked. So I could have increased the risk on it, but I didn't really want to do that. Masterclass is back. What up, team? How you doing? Again, guys, for all you guys that still need to hop into Masterclass, time is running out. All you Masterclass people, let everybody know how you enjoyed Masterclass today so that they can get a little bit of an insight into what they are getting. You guys hear it from me all the time how amazing it is. But again, I mean, you see the people in here all the time that are in there. And they are just crushing it with us. So, I mean, again, the stop on this it's got some time on it. Like I've already scaled out at like 15% of a lot of them. So if it breaks day low, I'm out. If it comes back up, hits another scale out, great. I'll hold it. It's worth all the knowledge. Hell yeah, it is. Hell yeah, it is. You enjoyed it? 3% from Masterclass. There you go. There you go, team. Don't miss out. Also, make sure you guys still hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Good day so far, dude. Good fucking day. definitely worth it at any amount. Yeah, man. I mean, that prices are going up like really significantly. So get ready. Get ready. Nancy doing nothing. AMD. Yeah, I mean, this is good. I don't know how. Okay, so here's what happened on that AMD trade that I had. They stopped me out on like the contracts that I was supposed to hold for runners, but they didn't stop out the ones that had the stop loss take profit order. Which thanks for that. I mean, I had way more contracts on that position, and they had the same stop. So I don't know how they filled one of them but not the other. Maybe it was because it was more contracts on the other one. They weren't going to get filled and it was 2 orders. I don't know. But that's interesting to me. I mean, I still nailed it, like drilled the trade. So master is a must. K Robinson, there you go. I mean, it is, man. I mean, we've created something absolutely amazingly special for you guys. If you want to come and take advantage of it, we are here for you. Dow hanging on by a thread. I mean, so is the S&P. Just pointed out there. If you look at ES, it is hanging on by a thread. So I got my good move. Great. Chilling. If this thing wants to come back up, that's cool. But the sellers kind of stepped up on a couple of these candles here. Let's see. We got any new followers on TikTok? Oh, what up, team? How we doing? What up? Mom, I'm famous. Just kidding. Just kidding. Yeah, Short the Vix 1 on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure you guys are following me over there. I got a lot of short form videos coming out. I'll probably record a lot more today. I recorded a bunch yesterday. Tiger back up. Yeah, fucking nailed it. I mean, again, it's just money, man. Like, it's just numbers on a screen. Like, when I look at this futures account, it's just numbers on a screen, bro. That's all it is. The amount of buffer that I have on this account now is insane. I could do a lot of wizard shit on this thing and be completely fine. Will I? No. I'll just keep doing what I'm doing. Stacking up those gains. Maybe I might take a trade in the afternoon today. Size it down though. So even if the afternoon trade that I'll take, if I see a good setup gets stopped out, I will still be wildly green for the day. So let's say I think that account is up around 10%. So I'll probably risk 2 of that, maybe 3. Still nail it for the day. And again, like with this small futures account, I am taking on a little bit more risk than I probably should. But I know my win rate in the risk to reward that I have, so it's really not that big of a deal at the end of the day. Just getting the account going, treating it as a little fun challenge account, and then letting it fly. Like, even if I made a big deposit, I'd still probably be trading with the same size until I get like really, really comfortable with it, like I am now. But did I see target hit my level plus more? Yep. I already drilled it off of this. So I scalped it here. I was up 20% and sold a bunch of them up here. So now I'm just basically using any profits to just bite if I see something I like. Ideally, I want this thing above the 3-minute 13 in order for this thing to run up potentially to this 48, get another scale out. But we'll see. I'm just biting like it's little baby and they have a shitload of time on it. But yeah, I did see Tiger hit it. So 137 would be interesting on it. Ooh, SPY moving? Yeah, SPY moving a little bit here. How many contracts am I going to sell at that? Oh, yeah, I'm fine with that. If this thing rips from here and I get another scale out on SPY, I'll be really happy. What's my futures win rate approximately? You're at 62 over the past 6 months. That's decent. No, that's awesome. I think I'm around 60. I don't know, because I'm more so going to look at my win rate in the month of June because in the last month or so, I've done different things. So I've taken different type, like I haven't, and this is, SPY shark. And this is kind of, I was testing out like 2 things. So like one of them, it was like super tight risk and then very, very tight take profits, which was good. But I like the way that I'm doing it now, where I can give it a little bit more room to run. With the way that I'm trading it now, I'm probably batting 75%. It's tough to tell though, because if I like, let's say I'm trading with like the 3 ES and I scale out at 2. and the stops at break even. That whole thing's a winning trade, but it's going to calculate it by contract. So if I get stopped at break even, there's going to be fees, which brings it into the red, and it's going to count that one ES as a losing trade. So I'd actually have to write them down and look, but I would say I'm probably at 60, 70% win rate. I mean, again, the count's up over 100%. So I would just have to look. Like last week, I can tell you what it was. Last week, I was 53 and made a bunch of money. But I also think I did some stupid shit too. So even when I fuck it up a little bit, one, still very green. Two, my risk to reward, I'm still over 50%. Like, I think it was off of one day where I took like 4 trades. Where I had like 3 losers that like just didn't make sense. And then there was another day with like 1 loser that like I shouldn't have been in. But those are the only trades that I remember losing from last week. It was like one day. It was the day that I had to fight out of a little hole. But yeah, going forward, going into June, I'm going to really track it and get those numbers. Tiger. Quentin, it shouldn't. But we're gonna be figuring that out for you guys. We have a lot of time to figure that out, but no, that's not what we want to do. We want you guys to be locked in at that price, which I think it's very, very simple to just have that happen. So that's just back end stuff that we got to work on. But yeah, you guys should be all good, locked in at the price that you're coming in at. I mean, if this 50 seconds, if it holds above here, you could have some fun, but who knows, man? This thing wicks around. It does some wild shit. So we'll see. At the month instead of 6 months. Well, I mean, again, I haven't been trading them for 6 months either. So, so this last like month and a half, it's not like a trial run, but it's more so like me figuring out where I'm the most successful. Now I've found it. So now it's just going forward, tracking win rates, tracking risk to reward and things like that. And really what that does for you is it gives you confidence when you're entering the trades. It gives you a lot of confidence because you know that even if one gets stopped out, you're chilling. Did I go golfing? No, I wish I did. You went to Vegas this weekend. Your blackjack game has improved since straight 1348. So there's that. Dude, so did mine. Well, I mean, then I was hammered and then one night and I just lost some money, but that was a while ago. Hold on, I'm going to send a picture of this to Gabe real quick. Hold on. Come on. Pink. Let's see. All right. Baba. Fuck. Did I miss it? Fuck. Hold on. Did I fuck this up? Did I fuck up another swing? No, actually. Ooh. Okay. 78.50. I don't like this though. Here's the problem with this. Here's my issue with Baba to the upside now. Watch this. Look, this is the big range that, oh wait, no, it's not. It's this. This is the big range right here that we fuck around it and then we rip out of. 79.50 is the big level. And the time that it ripped up above this one right here, lower high. This one right here, lower high. I don't like that. So I think I'm going to burn it on Baba now. I mean, this was dirty. We hit this move. That was the one that I was talking about on Wolf Financial's Twitter Spaces. This one right here. It was this move coming back to the upside. So I don't know. Well, because the downside level is fucking scary at 58. What shows did I see this weekend? Oh, you're not. I was not in Vegas. I was not in Vegas. All right, guys, keep smacking that like button on the way in. We got a little bit of time left here. And again, make sure you guys are hopping into Masterclass and getting your first month free to trade1348.com. How do you expect your current situation to change if you don't take action? And it's free, dude, for a month. You guys just watched me print money out of thin air today. Cool. Easy money. Oh, that looks interesting. It's got to go a little uppy, and then you can get a little funsy. All right, what's SPY? SPY, 3-minute 13. You need to get above there. Then you got to hunt the 200 and the 48 if it wants to bounce. I mean, you're right fucking around at this daily level here. So on the smaller time frame, the 3-minute, this doesn't look great. But if you look at this on, let's call it the 1 hour, it's just wicking. See? I mean, you got 8 minutes left on this hourly candle. If it wicks this and closes above, I think you push back up, but who knows? Who knows, man? I mean, that was the level that we were looking at that we drilled, that I got my scale out on. I mean, again, you can just look. You got 9 minutes to go until 11. If it closes back above there, cool. Cool. Compressed and expensive? What do you mean by compressed? There's always expirations every day. Yeah, so I think is it 77 exactly? I just want to know what the number is for this. Height of this candle, what's this? 70, 402? No, that's not it. 420.72, and this one is 420.77. So you're looking at, I'd say 420.77. You got to close above in the next 8 minutes in order for this thing to kind of hold its momentum here. And actually treat this as a retest. I don't use the hourly really in order to make trade decisions based on the crosses, but I will look at it in terms of levels. Can I look at DIA on the daily and the 4 hour for the people? Yeah. Just Dow ETF, right? Yeah. Daily. I don't like that. Looks shitty. Downside. Traffic light back in here, retesting the 200 EMA. That's the 3-minute. I don't want that. 4 hours probably looking even worse. Yeah, retesting the 48. Coming. Where's the 13? 329.79. Okay, so I mean it's right fucking there. I mean, you got these. Yeah, I mean SPY. If it holds here, man, I mean you could have a little bit of a boom, but the Dow is gonna move a little bit fucky. You know, where's TLT? That's what I'm curious about. 101.59. Yeah, I want that thing below 100, dude. In order for me to have confidence in, I mean, it flashed it. It was 100. It was 99.99 in the pre-market. That's not enough for me, though. That's barely a flash down below. We were saying this back in November. Fall below 90, I'll buy. Fall below 100 now, I'll buy. We'll see. So we're hunting 420 run right now. Let's see. I don't know, man. I don't know, dude. Did Tiger get the close or no? Not really. No. I mean, it did, but it just flashed right back down to 136. Bing bong. You took TLT at the 100 touch. I know your thesis. Yeah, I know your thesis. I know what you're doing there. I just the contracts. I want them to decay, because we know when it's gonna happen. We just don't want to be too early. Even if, seriously, if I were to do, we're flashing down again. Even if I were to do it, I'd probably only put a couple $1,000 on leaps. I don't want a giant position on it yet. Who do I use? I don't have a funded account. This is all live cash. I think Top Step's pretty good for futures. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys are interested in prop firms, man. We'll get some stuff out for you guys. Don't you worry. You got 5 minutes here. Tiger slipped. It's being a fucker. Nah, I'm comfortable with that. Your position is less than 1% of your largest count dated January 2025. Oh, fuck. You really? Oh, wow. Yeah, I don't hate that at all. That's fine. 25? I was going to go end of 24, I think. I think that's what I was looking at. I don't know for sure, though. Let's see. I'm tweeting. I'm tweeting. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Is this? Yeah. Tweet. There you guys go. Yeah, just a little screenshot of the futures P&L for today so far. So I'll grab the link to that tweet. You guys wouldn't mind dropping a like on it, dropping a retweet, and throwing any of your gains down below too, because I know you guys crushed it today. So there you go. Get a little gains train going in there. If you guys feel comfortable, of course. You got 3 minutes to close above 420.77. If you close below, that also might be what I use to just ditch the rest of this SPY position. Because it's either break of day low, but also we have this hourly candle closing. And if it closes above that level, using it as new support, I'm fine with that, holding it through here potentially for a nice move back up. But if it closes below, I'm not gonna like that. Yeah, there you guys go. Make sure you guys drop a like, drop a retweet, and comment any of your gains down below. Make sure you guys do that. Help spread the word about what we're doing. Yeah, you got 2 minutes. You're right fucking there. I want it to be aggressive up. I want the buyers at like the last couple minutes here, which is now, to just go boom up. Nope, don't want to close it down below that level. And I don't think they're going to do that. Let's see. You got minute 15. Yeah, that's probably what I'll use. I mean, I don't at this point, I don't really care. Like if it rips from here, I already would have upside exposure to the to some things in the market. So we'll see. You got 55 seconds. So let's see. Deltas for 2025 are nearly the same as 2024. Yeah, then you always go for the time. If they're relatively similar, you always go for the time. That's the thing. Like people will buy like deep out of the money contracts for like 5 cents, but it's like 5 going all the way back into the strikes. How's my birthday? Epic, bro. My birthday was epic. I had 3 tables at the club just ripping it. Yeah, you're on it right now. You are on the level. Bro, see, this is going to fuck with me. If they close it like directly on the level, I'm going to be like, fuck you guys. All right, 20 seconds. Let's see. Nah, they're going to close this below. You got 5 seconds here. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, they're closing that below. Yeah, that's below. I'll cut this. I don't want this anymore. See? I don't want it. Get it out. Get it out. Get it. Get. Come on, order fill me. Get me out. Thank you. Cool. So that was a nice green trade. I don't like that the hourly candle closed below. Happy belated. Thank you guys. Also, it is 11 a.m. That's going to wrap it up for me today, folks. So team, again, make sure that you guys are getting your right here. You guys see all this nonsense here? You make sure you guys are getting your month free to trade1348.com. And for those of you guys that are looking to get master, I mean, time's running out. Time is running out for you guys to hop into masterclass with us. So go to your subscriptions area, click get master, and you guys are all set. So I will see you later. I got some awesome short form videos coming out for you guys later on TikTok and Instagram. Maybe I'll be able to make one for YouTube. It's just they have to be under a minute. I don't know if my dumbass probably talked for too much. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Another great day in Print City. Thanks for the birthday wishes.